Hey, and welcome to video number 7. This is all about the Chop Shop option number 2, getting experts to create a custom control panel so your end users can customize the theme without any technical knowledge. Now, I assume that the majority of you are interested in this option number 2 because you can develop not just a WordPress theme, but a premium WordPress theme that you can sell and make a lot of money off of this WordPress theme. Now, this premium WordPress theme has a control panel, so I'm going to talk about the control panel in this specific video so that you can understand clearly what you're about to jump into and the stuff that you just need to know. So with a premium WordPress theme, users with little knowledge can get up and set up fast. So if they download your premium WordPress theme, they really don't need to know a whole lot about WordPress. And the beauty of it is that a lot of WordPress themes can actually survive the WordPress updates without you having to change the WordPress theme and update it and update it and update it. So that's another beauty of having a WordPress theme with a control panel. Now, obviously, with this option, you're going to be having a lot more high profit. You're going to make a lot more money by selling the premium WordPress theme. But it also has a higher cost. So you're going to be spending anywhere from $500 to $1,000 or more, depending which agency or individual that you go with. And there is a longer build time. So it's about a month to about 2 months. Let me talk about custom control panels versus pre-created control panels. Custom control panels, what I found is that a lot of people don't really know how to create custom control panels. And those are basically, you have a WordPress theme, you have a ability to change and tweak the settings. Most people I found use pre-created control panels that are already created, but all they have to do is tweak it and connect it with your WordPress theme. And in this specific video, I will be using Option Tree, which is one of the pre-created control panels which I've decided upon. Now, you can go with Pro Panel or any other control panel that you choose, but I found most people use Option Tree. And you can do your due diligence and do your own research with that. So a realistic completion is about a month to about 2 months, depending on the WordPress developer that you get. Now, you need to make sure that the Photoshop or PSD file that you get has layers. Otherwise, it's going to slow down the process. So you want to make sure the design has layers and everything is good with that. And then you want to give it to your WordPress developer. What I want to do now is talk specifically about the control panels so you have a better understanding of how it all works. Now, if you go to google.com and go to a site called Code Cannon, and that'll be at codecannon.net right here. And if we take a look at these, you can see that these are actually control panels that you can connect to a WordPress theme. Now, you have to pay close attention to the license for ThemeForce or Code Cannon because it tells you what you can and cannot do. For example, if you purchase the extended license and you read it, I do believe some of them allow you to actually add it to your premium theme, and then you can sell your premium theme, but you can't sell it. They can't sell it to their customers, kind of thing. So you want to make sure that you read closely what you can and cannot do with the theme options panel. But basically, what you want to do is access one of these control panels and then purchase it, buy it, and then give it to your WordPress developer that will later integrate the option panel with your WordPress layout. So here's another WordPress admin page class. You can buy this, the extended license to do this. And as you can see, people can tweak stuff and it actually integrates with your WordPress theme. Another one is called Pro Panel. And Pro Panel actually looks really nice. As you can see here, you've got color pickers. It makes it look really fancy. Option Tree is free to use, but you really have to get somebody who knows how to style them, because Option Tree doesn't really look that great in my opinion. But if you can go with like a Pro Panel or something else like this, I would recommend that, but just make sure that you read the license and figure out what you need to do depending on what you want to do. But as you can see, you have different option types, unlimited pages, plug and play setup. So if you find somebody who knows how to do WordPress premium themes, and notice that I say the word premium, that's kind of the jargon that they use. But premium WordPress themes, that's what you want to get somebody to create. Integrate this into your WordPress layout. So I wanted to make sure that you understood that you need to have some sort of pre-created options panel that's integrated into your WordPress theme in order for this to work. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to finalize the list of features and conditions and options so that you can be ready to find a WordPress developer to integrate all the features into your site.